Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody. Today we're going to learn the phonic sound of letter C. But before we continue, we have to pray first. Let's join your hand and say basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We have to prepare the glue. Color pencil and the paper. Let's do it. To start it, we have to review the phonic sound of letter A and letter B. Listen and repeat after me.
A is for apple. Apple. A is for apple. Apple. B is for ball. Ball. B is for ball. Ball. B is for ball. Ball.
Yes, that's a great job. Okay, let's continue the phonic sound of letter C. Attention please and follow after me. C is for cat. Cat. 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 Can you say it? Of course, you can say it well. Yes, that's good job, kids. And the next lesson, you have to tear, crumple, and pass the paper to the letter C. Let's watching me. We have to tear the paper using 3 fingers. Your thumb, your pointer, and your middle. After this, we have to crumple the paper. Like this. And then we have to give the glue to the letter C. Pass this paper to the letter C. And I have finished it. It is good? is good. And the next lesson is paper to the letter C. I have finished. Alright, I think the lesson is enough for today. I wish you always review and learn it more with your mom or your dad. Okay? Well done! And let's end our activity by say hamdalah. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'll be waiting for your video. Bye-bye.